So, guys, I get a question asking, is it possible to play Roblox on your TV? Now, this is possible on some smart TV. And if you also have, for example, some Android box that is connected to your TV with the Play Store, you should be able to find Roblox there. Now, on my TV currently, I have a Google Chromecast, and we're going to check to see if Roblox is there. I doubt that, but we can try, right? And so I know that if you have a Android TV box, you should be able to play this. Another option is that you can play Roblox on your PC if you have a console. So if you have a console where you can quickly check for Roblox, you should be able to find it there as well. But I know the best way how you can actually achieve this is if you have a general Android TV box connected to your TV where you can easily get the Play Store just like you do it from your phone. You should be able to find it there. But let's say you're using a different TV box, like a Google TV box or whatever. You can go to the apps and you can go down and you can just use a search and you can just easily type in Roblox to check if it's there, right? And just see if Roblox is available because this is not directly at the Play Store. And so you would most likely not able to find it. Let's see. See, you're not able to find it directly, but they have, for example, Google Play Games. You can check that to see what is this. I'm not even sure myself, but you can open, for example, this Google Play Games, and let's open that and see what's inside this. Welcome to Google Play Games. Let's go ahead and click on next right here, then click and done. And so we will try this way to see if we're able to achieve that on our TV. Let's click on next. You will need to create a gamer profile right here. So let's say create, and I'm going to just choose whatever, right? That appears. Let's keep the name as is. Let's choose allow again, and sign in. Now, this is the profile. Now, as you can see at the top there, there's a search. So I'm going to use it. Let's use the app as well. So let's say while using the app, Roblox, and it searches. And so does it find Roblox? It doesn't directly find it. So you get the general idea. There are some games there, right? But you don't get directly the Roblox as you will see like an app or something like that, right? So when you get the general idea, you can try on the different TVs that you have to see if you're able to find it. But the best case that you have to achieve this is if you have an Android TV box where you can directly have access to the Play Store. But that's pretty much it, guys. But go ahead and check it out and see if you're able to play Roblox on your TV. But as you can see, we tested in real time and we're not able to find it on the TV itself, and even the Google TV, it's not possible really to like find Roblox there. But of course, if you have an Android TV box where you have access to the Play Store, then you should be able to find it there and you can sign in with your account. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that gives you some insight. And that's pretty much all for today, guys.